24 आवर्स का 1 घंटा हम नहीं दे सकते खुद को। अगर वो तुम्हारी स्किन पे ग्लो लाने वाला है, अगर वो तुम्हारा फैट लॉस करने वाला है, अगर वो तुमको डिटॉक्स करने वाला है, अगर वो तुम्हारा थायराइड इम्बैलेंस निकलने वाला है शरीर से, अगर उसका उपयोग होगा तुम्हारे रेगुलर पीरियड्स में एंड टू कंसीव नेचुरली, फिर भी हम नहीं करेंगे। करना चाहिए, करना चाहिए। Is there science behind doing exercise? Lots. Theories and theories and theories and evidence and practical evidence where they have found that how a woman enhances her hormonal health by just moving her body in a certain way on a regular basis for 1 hour every day. Same thing is about giving oxygen inside the body. How can we do that? By breathing in a particular way. So breathing is another function, girls, जो हम बहुत involuntary करते हैं और उसको बिल्कुल respect नहीं करते। तो कुछ प्रकार का inhalation करना होता है, कुछ प्रकार का exhalation करना होता है, जिससे हमारी lung capacity, हमारी lung की capacity to retain oxygen, to retain carbon dioxide, to enhance oxygen levels. And all this then reach the endocrine glands. फिर उनको समझे अरे मस्त ऑक्सीजन आ रहा है, let's create good estrogen, let's create good LH, let's create good prolactin, let's create ovulation. तो कुछ बल्कि ओवरीज है वो वापस नॉर्मल साइज में रखते हैं, हाई टेस्टोस्टेरोन है वो नॉर्मल में रखता है, मल्टी फॉलिकुलर अपीयरेंस निकल जाता है एंड डोमिनेंट फॉलिकल बनने लगता है। बाय व्हाट? बाय ब्रीदिंग इन अ पर्टिकुलर फैशन, जिसको हम प्राणायाम बोलते हैं हमारे कल्चर में, ट्रेडिशन में। So breathing goes, right? So that is also important. One another aspect, and this is the last aspect which we are neglecting, is our sleep. All of us know beauty sleep है, beauty sleep है। Beauty किधर है? Beauty is not on the glow of your skin. Beauty is in your hormones. If your hormones are secreted well, beauty sleep की उसकी जरूरत है कि अगर वो अच्छी तरह से सीक्रेट हो। So sleeping not at any time, sleeping at a particular time frame and then sleeping deep is important. Many of you experience कि deep sleep नहीं है, बार बार उठते हो, dreams आते हैं, एक बार उठ जाते हो तो सो नहीं पाते हो, lot of things, sleep disturbances. Then you go on the Google, is there any tablet, is there any natural thing that I can do to enhance sleep? फिर कुछ कुछ करके देखते हो, रात को सोते समय दूध पीते हो या फिर पता नहीं क्या क्या करते हो, म्यूजिक लगाते हो, but basically if you're not taking care of the 24 hours, then it is going to affect your sleep. Sleep affection is also because of mind. Mind is stressed. Everyone says stress है life में, क्यों बोले हम ऐसा? Joy है life में, बोल सकते हैं, बोल सकते हैं। कैसे? There is a way to work on your emotions. So lot of emotions, lot of feelings, lot of stressful emotions and feelings affect our hormonal secretion in a very wrong way, because your body has a design which doesn't know what to do of stress. हमारी बनावट ऐसी है कि उसको स्ट्रेस को हैंडल कैसे करना नहीं पता, इसीलिए वो imbalances बनाता है। Are you understanding? Some of you might be thinking, how can you say this, ma'am? आप आके देखो मेरी लाइफ में कितना स्ट्रेस है, वर्क स्ट्रेस है, वर्क लाइफ स्ट्रेस है, हस्बैंड का स्ट्रेस है, सासू माँ का स्ट्रेस है, घर का स्ट्रेस है, फाइनेंसेस का स्ट्रेस है, कितने बर्डन्स। तो क्या मुझे नहीं है? सबको है, बट उनको ही क्या हम अलग तरीके से प्रोसेस कर सकते हैं क्या? ये कभी भी हमने सीखा नहीं, इसको भी नहीं सिखाते हैं स्कूल में, कॉलेज में, घर में। सिर्फ बोलते हैं चुप हो जा, क्यों रो रही है, क्यों टेंशन ले रही है, क्यों चिड़चिड़ कर रही है, and all that, right? Understand, if this is a long standing thing where you're not able to take care of your emotions, you react, you become angry, you get irritated, frustrated, mood swings, depressive thoughts, lot of these things which are there long standing, then they will 100% affect your hormones. Is there a tablet that I can give you to become stress free? No. But are there ways by which we can become stress free? Yes, the same that I am utilizing in my own life, my professional life, my personal life, my family life, my husband life, my sasuma life, my kids life, my financial life also. And that's why I can say that I am able to balance my life properly and that's why I enjoy health. I don't take any one supplement, neither any one pill. Alright, so stress is the last aspect that I wanted to speak of for you to understand कि ये जो मैंने सब कुछ कहा ये थियोरी है, इसको प्रैक्टिकलिटी में हम कर सकते हैं. That is exactly what me and my team we teach in a 3-month training module, the name of which is Freedom from PCOS. All of you know that. What do I exactly teach there? I exactly teach how to manage all these aspects in much details, in much practical form, and that's how you see all the transformation in women who share their success stories in the community groups. So if you think you can work on all these aspects yourself, you know how to. Great, get started. You know it from inside, the signal comes, you know what is right, what is wrong, and I know I can do exercise and I can take care of my food and stress. Start doing right from today. If you think that you need the organized support, exactly what to do. You want it to become faster. You don't want to do the trial wala basis. Then join me in my 3-month training module. And these 3-month training module हर महीने नया बैच हम निकालते हैं क्योंकि बहुत सारी लड़कियां हैं जो चाहती हैं कि उनको रिकवर करना है. Diseases are spreading faster, imbalances are spreading faster. The reason being we are modern women. It's not the reason कि अभी दुनिया खराब हो गई है, पानी खराब हो गया है, हवा खराब हो गई है, कुछ नहीं, सब ठीक है, हम खुद का ध्यान रख सकते हैं. Also another reason is drug companies have come in a big way. Medical science is now medical industry, and therefore I have created this module to teach us women that we don't need to take pills. We don't need to do expensive treatments. We don't need to do IUI surgeries, IVFs. We can conceive naturally by working on our hormones, and therefore I have so many patients who do this by working on their hormones. They have gone through IVF, नहीं हुआ, naturally किया, हुआ. PCOS था, irregular periods, naturally किया, होने लगा. Thyroid tablet for years women are taking, and I feel so sad. You need to work on your thyroid function. Thyroid के लिए क्या अलग लगता है? अच्छा खाना, अच्छे timings, stress release, balance, good sleep, exercise, oxygen. And there are no tablets by which we can achieve this. Tablets have their side effects, girls. So tablets, medicines, pills need to be taken as an emergency once in a while, occasionally जब जरूरत पड़ी. But lifestyle change करने के लिए tablets का इस्तेमाल नहीं करना चाहिए. And us women who nowadays are suffering, mostly are suffering from lifestyle related hormonal